Hi, today's landscape is going to be of a lake on a frosty winter's morning. Adding a little yellow to the white and pink is going to warm that yellow up a little bit, and we can add in that colour as well, blending it all together. You can add a little bit of orange too if you'd like to. My yellow was quite a warm yellow, so I only added a tiny amount, but just use your judgment, be creative and blend in all those lovely colours together. I'm also adding white to the top part so it's lighter and gently blending it upwards. And you can intensify the colours and make them a little stronger here and there too if you need to. Just until you get something that you're happy with. I've added phthalo blue to my pink and white, and I'm just going to put in a little bit of interest in the distance so we can mark in where that horizon is. Now that the pink and yellow paint is dry, I'm coming in at the top section with my phthalo blue and white again and blending that down. I'm going to paint in the sky and sort of define and pick out the edges of where my clouds are going to be. And then I'll soften that blue paint up back into the blue at the top. Doesn't need to be too detailed, we're just adding a bit of interest and giving an indication of where those lovely sunrise clouds are. I have phthalo blue with just a little pink added, and we'll start blocking in where the snowy land is going to go in the foreground. While that's drying, we can start adding in a few trees in the distance. I've mixed a really pretty purpley grey colour with phthalo blue, pink, white and a tiny amount of black. We're making it slightly darker by adding more black with the trees that are coming closer to us. For our main tree right at the front, I'm using black paint to put in the trunk. Thanks for painting with me today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please consider hitting the like button for me. It really does help.